So in our last class, we discussed about how we can work with Boolean type of data. Like in most, like all the type of data we discuss in Python programming. Now, in this video, we are going to understand how to take values from user in Python programming. Also, what is typecasting and all. So first of all, let's see how to take value from user, what kind of operators we can use. So suppose if I'm having in A, suppose I have two, let me change the color first. Just a minute. So suppose in A I have 2, in B I have 4, and I want to add these numbers. So what we can do, I can just do A plus B here, no? And I will get 6. Like 2 plus 4 is 6. Now, but I want to create a program, a Python program where I can take values from user from the, like I can take value from the user and then I want to add it. Like manually, I want to enter the value from the user and then I want to sum up the value or any kind of calculation I want to perform after taking value from user. Now, how we can do this part, let's talk about that. So to take value from user, we have a inbuilt function called input. This we can use to take value from user in Python programming only. But the problem with input type of data is basically the return type of this input function is only string. The return type of input function is basically string type of data. Okay. Now let's try to work on it and let's see how to take value from user here. So suppose at first in A, I have 2, in B, I have 9, and I just want to print A plus B, the addition of A and B. Let's see, run this code and you can see the output here, which is 10. Okay. But what I want to take value from here and then I want to add it. Okay. So in this case, this is what I want to do. We can do it like this. In A, I want to take value from user. So in this case, I can use input function. See, uh, read a string from standard input. So let's see. And after taking value from user, I want to print it also. So I want to print the value of A, but I want to write some message also. Value of A is the separator I want to add here, comma. You already know how we can work with the print function. So let's see, run. Okay. You can see, as you can see, my cursor is only blinking. I have not any message here that what exactly I need to do. But here, because we already create the program by ourselves, so we understand that in input we need to input any number. So I'm writing here 8, and let's press enter, and you can see value of A is 8. But the problem is I need some message, because for any person who is using the software or the application, they don't know that the meaning of blinking of cursor is basically taking value from user. So here you can add the message also. Enter any message you can add. Enter the value of A. Okay, let's see. Run. Okay. Now you can see here, enter the value of A. I'm getting some message that I need to enter the value of A by myself. So I'm writing here 5 and press enter, and you can see I'm getting again a message which is value of A is 5. It's correct now. Same thing I want to do it for B as well. Control C and V. This time for B. Let's do it. Run this code. Value of A is 6. Value of B is 2. Okay, so it's done. Now, after that, I want to check the type of this A also. Which type of data it holds. Same goes with B also. For A, I'm writing here ABC, which is already a string type of data, correct? But in B, if I'm writing here 4, again I'm getting here a string. Why? It is because of the return type of input function is already string. So whatever type of data you are writing here, it already converted into a string type of data. Now, what will happen if I'm going to print addition of A and B? Let's see. So 2 and 5, to A I'm using 2 and for B I'm using 5, and the answer I'm getting at 25. But the thing is, addition of A and B is 7, not 25. It is concatenation. So because A and B are holding a string type of data, and when you're using plus operator in a string type of data, it always give you concatenation, not addition. So to get addition, we need to convert these string value into integer or any number type of data. So that you can do it like for that, to convert one data type into another, and this process is called typecasting. So now what we want? We want to convert that string value into number type of data. Okay. So this process is called typecasting. Okay. So process of converting one data type into another, one data type into another type of data, that is basically called typecasting. Suppose I have a string type of data, I want to convert into number or integer. An integer value I want to convert into float, and so on. So from one data type into another, this process is called typecasting. This process is called typecasting. Let's do it. So here, how we can do typecasting? So first, in A I have suppose 4, which is a string type of data. As you can see, I'm using here inverted. I want to it is a integer type of, it is a string type of data. I want to convert the string into integer, so we can do it like this. This A I want to convert into integer. So integer type of data I want to convert of this A. That's it. This is what exactly I need to do. Okay. So let's do it. Let me comment everything from here for now. Copy this one, Control C and V. Okay. Run. See, value of A 4, and you can see it is a string type of data. Now, after getting value from user, I want to convert it directly. I want to convert into integer. Run this code. 3. And you can see it converted into integer type of data. So that's it. It is a very like simple thing. You just need to understand the concept here. Okay. Now, same thing I'm going to do it for B as well. Control C and V. And this time I want to convert this B into float type of data. Three and 6, and you can see this is integer, this one is float, and I want to add these numbers together. So integer plus float always gives you float. So print A plus B this time. Run this code, and you can see the output here, 2 and 5, and the answer is 7.0, because integer plus float always gives you float, and 2 plus 5.0 gives you addition, which is 7.0. I hope this point is clear to each and everyone, how we can take value from user and the method of typecasting here. Thank you.